My name is Zahar, and we're live broadcasting from, well, one of the most forgotten parts of Kiperunda, in Troodos, Cyprus. And frankly, we're in a camp of 15 people in the same house, trying to survive the camp arranged by WingTsun school. It is a lovely camp, in my opinion. I really love it. The aspect of close human-to-human communication amongst the youth, which is not too often today with today's technology. But those are just my words. Let's see what the others think.
It's very nice and cozy in the house. And like yesterday, it's very fun being outside and like paintball, laser tag, and stuff like that. They added everything. It's perfect.
Well, with the other teens camp, it compares that it's in a house. Before, there weren't any like camps with billiards or football. Basically, no teens camp in houses.
So you think it's an improvement?
Well, yes and no, kinda.
Could you elaborate on that?
Well, the teens camp is about like staying outside, making your own food, doing everything on the nature. It's particularly December, and it's raining. And I don't know what we would have done if there were tents. We would have been just soaked up. And most of the people would have just been sick by the end.
Is this one of your successful camps, in your opinion?
I think this was a great camp for everybody. I think we did really well this time, in the sense that we managed to improve it from last time. I think we have more interesting activities, more fun, and everybody is very cooperative in a good way this time.
Oh, so you as an adult, what's it like to communicate with children? How easy it is to understand their way of thinking?
It's easy, because you just have to think like a child. Yeah, it's when I play a game with them, I love to play games, I love to have fun, and it's pretty simple to understand what you guys think, because I was a child not too long ago. I just don't have to do adult things for 3 days, it's great. I can just do kids things for 3 days.
So, do you consider this camp needs some kind of improvement, or?
Does it need improvement? Look, the camp was great, but can it be improved? It can always be improved, and that's always our goal, that we always want to make it better, but I wouldn't say that there's something wrong and it needs improvement. It just, strive for perfection, never reach it.
Do you have anything specific you would like to change on your mind?
Yeah, your glasses.
Thank you. Yeah, those are not my reporter glasses. I forgot to get my reporter glasses.
I don't think there is... Nothing comes to mind right now, but that's because my mind right now is on how to have the best camp, and before the next camp, that's when my mind will be on how to make things better.
I think my favorite part about it was the social interaction, honestly.
Indeed, I get it. I mean, I live in the same room as you. Do you have any hopes or suggestions on improving the upcoming camps?
So far, I mean, it seems quite alright. I don't really see what you could improve on. I don't know, it's fun.
It's fun. It's nice. It's warmer. Like last time we went in tents, right? That had its own aspect of fun to it. It's just unique, basically. But they're both fun.
I think the teens camp is a bit better because at kids camp you don't have billiards and table football, etc. We didn't do paintball and laser tag stuff. There's a basketball field, but when we were small in the other group, there weren't that many exercises. We would just play some kind of little games. we have a lot of free time and we can do whatever we want. I would like to be the champion again. I would like to be the billiard champion again.